Good morning. So today we're making we have to learn how to write the notes in order from low C to high C. Okay, and it's not too hard. You just have to remember a couple things. In between E and F, there's no sharp or flat. And in between B and C, there's no sharp or flat. So starting on the bottom, we'll write C and C sharp. And underneath C sharp, it's also D flat. Then you have D. Right, these are the notes in between C sharp. In between C and D. C, C sharp, D. And you got D sharp, E flat. And you got E. Remember, there's no accidentals in between E and F. Then you got F sharp slash G flat. Then you got G. G sharp slash A flat. A. You got A sharp slash E flat. B and C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, and that concludes how you write your scales in order. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Or if you're going backwards, C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C. Those are the notes in order. Good luck. You'll need to replicate this chart from memory on Friday.